Are you losing sales because your customers aren't finding their favorite way to pay? Let's fix that by adding Apple Pay to your Godaddy website. First, log into your Godaddy account and navigate to your website dashboard. We'll need to find a compatible e-commerce plugin that supports Apple Pay, such as Ecommerce. If you're using WordPress, look for the plugins or marketplace section to find and install one. Once you've found a suitable plugin, install and activate it. Make sure the plugin description clearly states it supports Apple Pay integration to avoid compatibility issues down the road. Next, head over to the plugin settings. You're looking for the payment gateways or payment methods section. This is where you'll configure how you accept payments. Now, you'll need a merchant account with a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal that supports Apple Pay. If you don't already have one, sign up for an account on their website and follow their instructions for setting up Apple Pay. You'll need to obtain the necessary API keys or credentials from your chosen payment processor. Copy these keys carefully, as you'll need them to connect your Godaddy website to the payment processor. Return to your e-commerce plugin settings and paste the API keys or credentials into the designated field. Save your changes. Finally, test the integration by making a test purchase on your website. Look for the Apple Pay button at checkout. If everything is set up correctly, your customers can now enjoy a seamless payment experience. You've successfully added Apple Pay to your Godaddy website.